In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how to deactivate your DocuWorks offline. So if you don't have any internet connection, this is the best way to go on how to do the deactivation. So let's start. So at first, I will have to make sure that my license screen is up, just like what I have right now on my screen. I'll go over and select the serial number, click Advanced Feature, and click on License Deactivation as I'm trying to go ahead and cancel the activation. So this screen will actually tell us about the license activation cancellation. So make sure that you select the serial that you want to deactivate. Press Next to continue. From this license activation cancellation method, select Use email to cancel license activation and click Browse to browse where you want to save that file. So this lrt.dat file will have to be submitted to Fuji Xerox through email. That's why it's called email to cancel license activation. So press Next. Okay. Now it will tell you that the license activation cancellation has been completed. So once you press complete, it will then create the file on our desktop. If you can see over here. So go ahead and so once that you do have the lrt.dat file, what you need to do is to send that to software support licensing team of Fuji Xerox through email, and they will reply to you within 1 to 2 business days, and they will confirm that the deactivation of the license has been completed. All right. So once that's done, what you need to do is you need to go and open up your license screen again and select advanced features. After that, go to delete serial number and select the serial number you want to delete, which is the unactivated serial. Press next. And then when it asks you to confirm, just go ahead and click on yes. If you want to confirm that you want to delete it, click on yes. And it's now successfully deleted DocuWorks serial for us as well. So first we have to make sure that we deactivate and then we delete. All right. So once that's successful, just press completed, and then now you no longer have any serial number that has been registered to your Fuji Xerox product. So the next step that we're going to be doing is to just exit on this license activator screen and completely uninstall it from your control panel. All right, so we just end that out. So yeah, if you do have any further questions, you can let me know. That's about it for this video. Thank you for watching.